Stay here, honey. Hey everyone, so right now we have Jashby. Hi, honey. And he doesn't have a collar on because I'm not quite sure where it went. But just going for our daily walk. Come on, free. Yep, just going for our daily walk down the streets. Yeah, I don't really know where his collar went. I need to find that. But I don't put him on a leash because he doesn't need to be put on a leash. So, yep, we're just taking him for a little walk. Well, just me, not anyone else. But, yeah, there is actually a park that I usually take him to after school. I walk him before school just down the street, or like right around the block. But then after school, sometimes if I don't have too much homework, I take him to the park, which is right behind that, where's my finger? That fence. Yeah. Take him there a lot. And I just throw the ball for him, let him run around and stuff, chase some squirrels, you know, let him have some fun. But yeah, just taking him for a walk. I actually did film him at a dog party. Sorry, there are cars passing by and it's kind of awkward because they're like looking at me, like talking to myself. At least that's what it looks like. But anyway, so I did film him going to a dog party, and he was all dressed up and everything and was really cute, except that he, I accidentally lost a few of the videos, and then I'm like, okay, well, I'm not gonna upload one of them and have it be all weird, not with all, like, without all the videos, so I just decided to delete the other one because it was just stupid. And it would be confusing because it was like one of the middle videos. And oh, he's tired. But yeah, we did go to a dog party. It was really fun. A little swim party. And lots of treats and stuff. Didn't you have lots of fun? Okay, we're sitting on someone's yard, Jasper. Jaspy, come on! Come on! Oh, you look cute. I need to take a picture of you. Alright, well, I gotta go. I'm gonna take some pictures of Jasper. And yeah, so there will be a few pictures right after this video. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Bye, Jaspy. Say bye. Jasper.